Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the top 5 crypto assets that we could be jumping into with a nice decrease of about 2.63% in just the last 24 hours. So if we are looking to dollar cost average in on a few coins, there's specific coins I would like to take a look at today and tell you guys a little bit about. First off, we have Cardano. Cardano down to 9.18% in just the last 24 hours, down to about $1.64. This is one of those coins that we've been following quite a bit on the channel. If you guys haven't already, by the way, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. If we jump back to the last 24-hour period, we can see about an 8.28% decrease, which is a very substantial decrease, coming from about $1.80 all the way to $1.63. In the last week, really a 13% decrease. In the last month, about a 24 to 25% decrease. So Cardano, you're getting at a discount. If we take a look at the last year, we saw a nice increase all the way up to $3.10. Now about half of that. And we're seeing a great opportunity to buy in this last couple of days, or last couple of weeks period, because we've been under that $2 price point since October 31st. If we do look back, though, there are going to be a lot of coins like Cardano that have a lot of value. Another big thing or reason I would like to get more invested into Cardano is because of the passive income. Obviously, everybody knows you can stake with Cardano, and the market cap right now at $54.4 billion is not too hefty. So I do expect more value to continue to take place and thrive with Cardano continuing through this bull market. As we jump back, though, there is going to be 4 other coins I want to talk about. Cardano, in my opinion, was a pretty obvious one with a huge decrease in the last 24-hour period. You're getting a great value. Polkadot is one that, I've talked about in the past. We're not going to talk about it too much today. It only went down about 3%, but we are below $40, so I did want to mention that real quick. Avalanche down about 13%. You would assume this is a good buy. However, we did have a really nice run up. So Avalanche and Shiba Inu, it's still 2 coins I'm not going to add to today's list. Terra Luna, though. This one's down 7.45% in just the last 24 hours. This is a coin I believe is going to do very well in the next couple of weeks. If we take a look at the last week, we see about a 10% decrease. The last month's been all over the place. All overall, though, about a 10% decrease for the last month as well. If we take a look at the last year, you can see that we are on a steady increase up, and we are probably going to see continuous really increase in market cap within the next couple of months. So do expect Terra Luna to be one of those coins that does very well. If we take a look at the last 24-hour period, a 7.45% decrease in the last 24 hours is going to give you a nice little discount on Terra Luna. Another coin worth mentioning and looking into. If you guys have any interest in these coins, make sure to dive a little bit deeper. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. So we have 3 more coins left to look at. And 2 of these coins that we looked at today were pretty obvious in my opinion with such solid decreases. They're going to be great picks and choices. There's a coin, in my opinion, that's going to be mentioned every time we have these top 5s if it has a decrease a little bit higher than the rest, and that's going to be Chainlink. Because what Chainlink does, it brings so many different cryptocurrencies together, continues to bring so much utility to the space. And because of that, Chainlink's an obvious choice at $25.74, about a 4 to 5% decrease in the last 24 hours. Chainlink has yet to have its breakout period. We see right now the market cap at about $12.1 billion. In the last week, by the way, about 11 to 12% decrease. In the last month, an 8% increase. So we are starting to see some of these coins at a nice discounted rate. Chainlink, no exception. $12.1 billion market cap, definitely a coin that we expect to make it close to $50 billion here in the next couple of weeks. As we continue through, there are many more coins to take a look at. We're just going to take a look at 2 more coins that I believe are worth dollar cost averaging in at this current price point. Just to mention here, Decentraland up to $5, a 25 to 26% increase within just this last 24-hour period. So a lot of these coins, like Metaverse coins, play-to-earn coins like Axie Infinity, are worth watching and mentioning because of how well they're doing. If we take a look farther on, we have VeChain. So VeChain's another coin we talked about a lot here on the channel. There's great reasons as to why, but right now with a 5.4% decrease in just the last 24-hour period, it's at 12 cents. VeChain's been doing very well throughout this bull market. Just this last really kind of setback of about 15.73% in the last week will give you guys a discounted rate on VeChain as well. Below $8 billion in market cap right now, there's a huge potential for VeChain to continue to grow much farther by the end of the year and by the end of the bull market as well. So we'll continue to watch VeChain, continue to invest or dollar cost average in. Definitely a really a deserving spot, number 4 spot on the top 5. As we continue down, we have one more coin to take a look at. And I want to go down to the actual second page here, and this will give us a couple new coins to take a look at. And I wanted to give you guys something that you guys probably haven't heard of too much here in the last couple of weeks, and that would be Loopring. Loopring's actually down 11%. If you guys haven't heard much of Loopring, that's kind of crazy because the last month has been about a 588% increase. The last week, about a 13% increase. Why do I think Loopring's 11% decrease is going to be worth getting into? Well, I think Loopring's not done quite yet. A $4 billion market cap could continue to grow with it being under $3 right now, a $2.98 price point on Loopring. Definitely a price point that is worth checking out. I'm not saying this is a great price point to actually buy in. I would continue to watch this coin and see if it drops much farther. I'm thinking anywhere between $2.65 to about $2.35 as a good buy-in spot. So that's going to be the number 5 on the top 5 to actually be buying in this kind of 5 to 10% decrease of a market, really with altcoins altogether. So it's going to be a great time to buy some of these coins if you guys are looking to dollar cost average in for this bull market run. You guys heard these are the top 5. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.